A, an, and one. Thank goodness, our examinations are over at last. What a relief! I hope I shall pass, for I have just got a letter from my father promising to send me to the medical college if I get through class 12. Oh, are you going to be a doctor? Yes, and I am very glad. My father is a doctor, and I have always wanted to be one too. It seems a very interesting profession. What are you going to do? My ambition is to be a lawyer, and when I have got my BA, I am to go to the law college to study for my LLB. Law, that never had any attractions for me.
In the dialogues, the friends have used indefinite articles a or an with nouns. Here are some examples of sentences with indefinite articles a and an and one. What a relief! I hope I shall pass, for I have just got a letter from my father promising to send me to the medical college if I get through class 12th. Oh, are you going to be a doctor? My father is a doctor, and I have always wanted to be one too. It seems a very interesting profession. My ambition is to be a lawyer. Definition: the words a or an are called articles. They come before nouns. A or an is called the indefinite articles because it usually leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. The choice between a and an is determined by sound. Usage: Article A. Before a word beginning with the consonant sound A is used, as a boy, a reindeer, a woman, a yard, a horse, a hole, also a university, a union, a European, a EU, a unicorn, a useful article. Because these words, university, union, European, EU, unicorn, useful, begin with the consonant sound. Similarly, we say a 1 rupee note. Such a one-eyed man, because one begins with the consonant sound W. Article an. Before a word beginning with a vowel sound an is used, as an apple, an enemy, an inkpad, also an heir, an honest, an hour. Because the words heir, honest and hour begin with a vowel sound, as the initial consonant H is not pronounced. Article 1. We use one rather than a or an if we want to emphasize that we are talking about only one thing or person rather than two or more. Note: indefinite article is used in its original numerical sense of one, in the vague sense of a certain, in the sense of any to single out an individual as the representative of a class, to make a common noun for a proper noun. We use one in the pattern one other or another in the phrases such as one day, one evening, one spring, etc. to mean a particular but unspecified day, evening, spring, etc. Let us look at a few sentences. 12 inches make a foot. A Kishore Kumar is suspected by the police. I'd like 1 orange and 2 lemons, please. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. A Daniel come to judgment. In the first sentence, a is used to emphasize foot in its original sense of one. In the second sentence, a is used to show Kishore Kumar as a certain person. In the third sentence, one is used to emphasize that we are talking about only 1 orange. In the fourth sentence, an is used with a vowel sound. In the last sentence, a is used to make a common noun of a proper noun. Here are a few more examples of sentences with a, an and one. I need 1 kilogram of sugar. Could I come over on a Saturday sometime? Global warming is a common topic these days. What he needed was an umbrella. An honor of this type is what everybody dreams to get.